We spent a couple of days anchored in this bay. It was beautiful weather, nice and calm and sunny, and a good place for a swim. You can see in the background all of the beach chairs on the beach. Not many of them used at the moment, but this was taken early morning, so the place is pretty deserted. You'll see the big mosque up on the hill, so there was no doubt as to where we were. The call to prayer was coming out pretty regularly from that. You can see the hillsides are quite densely populated with houses, and that's us anchored out in the bay. We're a fair way out because the water here is quite shallow. Today we're travelling up the coast of Kalymnos. It's a big, fairly rugged and barren island, as you can see in the background there. And the island we're heading to is Leros, which is up there in front of us. There's no wind, so we're motoring again.
Hi everyone, it's a beautiful day today. We're in between the islands of Leros and we're heading up past Lipsy, which is in front of us, and we're going around to Arki. We're sailing. We have got 8 knots of wind and we were doing 5.7 knots boat speed. So although it feels like it's just starting to drop off, the water is incredibly flat. We've had a calm few days, so it's actually, the water is very, very flat, and it's really pleasant, delightful sail. Yamas. Here we are sitting on the back of the boat at Samos, enjoying watching people while we have a quiet ouzo for the evening.